Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the styling of your delivery date picker to match your brand or theme on your Shopify store. First of all, make sure you've installed the Flare app from the Shopify App Store. Second, make sure you've completed the first step in the setup, which is to add your delivery date picker to your theme. If you haven't done this yet, please follow the guides below on how to do so. Once you've done that, if you navigate to the homepage of our app, you will see the delivery date status is active. The date picker location for us is the cart page. It might be the product page for you, the cart drawer, or even the checkout if you chose one of those options. To customize the styling, click on Customize and click on Edit Styling. This will take you to the styling page. On the left, you can change things such as the border color of the date picker, the width of things, the padding, the font size, and various other styling settings to match your theme. On the right-hand side, you have a live preview to see how it will look on your store. When you're happy with your changes, and I am happy now, click on the Save button in the top right, and that will save the styling settings. Now, to preview how this looks on your live store, simply go to View Your Online Store in your Shopify admin panel. In this case, we're going to go to our cart page. And you can see that the styling I set up in our styling page has applied to the live site. That's how you edit the styles for your delivery date picker on your Shopify store using the Flare app. Thank you.